What's the meaning of anarchical? Anarchical. 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 Anarchical.
Anarchical refers to a state of disorder or lack of control, often in a political or social context. Anarchy is the absence of an organized government or authority, which can lead to chaos and instability. In an anarchical society, individuals or groups may compete for power and resources, leading to violence and social upheaval. While some advocates of anarchism argue that it offers greater freedom and equality, many believe that anarchy is unsustainable and leads to more harm than good. Ultimately, the result of anarchy is uncertainty, insecurity, and the breakdown of order.